So today on the S10 for my little 5.3, I'm putting a 102 on the 3-bolt. I know a lot of people may not agree. Oh, it's gonna fucking flow like shit. I don't care. I got this little adapter so I can fit the 4-bolt.
So was a 4-bolt throttle body, was this like a 4th gen thing, or was this like...
I think so.
Or is this car manifold?
It might be car manifold or tied to that, but most 4th gen shit. Yeah. I'd say maybe like the aluminum LS or like the performance LS that was in Vets and shit. And the later model shit came with the 4-bolt.
That's a lot of throttle body.
I just know.
So yeah, you have to run an adapter. That's pretty much it. It goes.
I'm gonna take these studs out, and it comes with new screws to screw in. And then I'm gonna get that. I'm probably gonna Loctite it. You know what I mean? And then I'm gonna slap this fucker on there. Kaboosh!
And where did you find this one?
This is an eBay special. Well, obviously, like, look, eBay. eBay is my friend. I know.
eBay is very LS friendly, apparently.
Very. I mean, this right here. This is the better one of some of them. They're 65 to 89 bucks. You can get a nice one. You can get 92s for like 65 bucks. So I went with the 102 just for the fuck of it. I mean, throttle response is probably going to be noticeable, but honestly, it's going to go good in the future. With the plans I have for this fucker's going to suck.
But Mike was saying, when you get the 102 throttle body, it comes with different hardware, so they want you to remove the studs. So that's what we're going to be doing. Is it an option for these things?
I don't know, but I'm thinking like these are the same kind of studs that I was fighting with at the junkyard to get that last fucking. Yeah. These things are a pain in the ass. So what I'm gonna have to do is something special here so that my vice grips don't fucking bend and switch off. So I'm gonna use another pair of vice grips. Work right now, some regular ones, not these fucking flatheads. But maybe even an adjustable wrench. But let's try something here. Alright, I'm looking for my freaking adjustable wrench. I just had it. Oh, there it is. So take these old vice grips here. This is the way I fucking do it. I was like, ain't reusing these. I gotta center that. Oh, they're on there pretty tight. Just to kind of hold it straight. Jar it loose.
Look at that. Would you look at it?
Would you look at that? Yeah, just pull her out. Threads on the inside looking immaculate shape. Obviously, check this out. Oil for days. What do you expect? Junkyard. Hardware. I should probably use some brake cleaner and clean this shit up before I throw it on, but I'm sure it's coming back off eventually. So let's find our appropriate Allen head. But we got this. Let me grab my little. Dude, these wrenches are a pain in the ass. You're fucking trying to fucking.
That's definitely for those hard to reach areas.
But it's alright.
Alright, so this hardware, you're probably supposed to use a Loctite, but you're not going to just because it's kind of the mock-up.
I'm not going to do it now. I'm just going to mock it up and see how it's going to all work out. So I'm going to just start this top one because I want to make sure these holes line up.
Right.
Just because, you never know. eBay, dude, like, you never know if shit's really gonna line up or work. See what I mean? It's like, where's the hole? Wait a minute. Did it even go in there? Look.
10:30.
Ah, horse shit!
Do I have to tighten it into that?
Is the head of the bolt too big for the what? Is it going in?
Oh. Let me check something here. Is there different size fucking hardware in the same bag? Well, it's hard to tell. I don't think so. Weird. eBay. Gotta love it.
All right, so the this eBay adapter here, the bolts just don't. They just don't. They need to be reamed out a little bit, so that's what Mike's gonna do here. Just go into it genitally.
Genitalia. See if that fucker fits in there now. Doing all that frickin' sanding, I had to take a burr off of it and doing the drilling. The hole was slightly off, which is weird. Like, I had to loosen these and kind of pull it, get that one started and suck it in while these ones are already started. And it's on there, okay? I'm gonna have to take it off, obviously, to get the frickin' Loctite on eventually. But this is for now, you know what I mean? And it's on there, it's gonna work. So now what we're gonna do, next step, is throw this fucking massive 102, look at that, look at all that restriction. It's gonna be awesome. What the fuck are you talking about?
Interesting.
Seems weird. There's no gasket, but
we'll have to figure out
something out. R2B.
Glue it on there.
Glue it on. So we'll see how these threads match up, because this is so far not really fitting very well. But okay, let that fucker hang.
My question is, even if since it's cheap off eBay, how hard is it just to machine it correctly? You know what I'm saying?
Especially if they claim it's all CNC'd.
And you machined it
is your
to that
measurement
point.
slightly off, maybe?
Yeah.
Let me get another little thing started here. But yeah, putting it on is simple, dude. All this shit is bolt-on, and you could do this. Don't be scared to fucking just bolt something together. I'm gonna fucking get this tighter than a fucking dog's ass.
And it doesn't matter if it's cross-threaded or torqued to spec.
Yeah, dude, as much as your elbow can push it, that's
tight
good
is
enough.
tight.
Tight is fucking tight.
Just kidding, don't intentionally cross-thread anything.
Don't use a breaker bar to tighten these small ass little fucking bolts into aluminum. Not smart. But as you can see, this is actually lining up, which is kind of weird. The 3-hole didn't line up very good, but the 4-hole is like damn near perfect, so.
It looks rad. Doesn't that look sick, dude?
Yeah. Well, see, I went with the black because, well, it just kind of went that way. Everything else.
I think your engine looks cool, like with a lot of black. You know, I think it looks dope. Black and aluminum.
Should I do the black fuel rails or the red anodized?
Do they have an aluminum one, or is it just black or red?
Black or red.
I don't know.
I mean, anodized, and then the square bar ones.
Either way.
I mean, I don't know if it's going to be too much. It might match these little anodized red Christmas tree ornaments, though.
True.
But yeah, there she blows. So I hook up all these other little nicks and knacks on it, and look how far that sticks out. So
It looks pretty dope.
I think in the S10, since it's so short in there, I won't have a throttle cable issue. I have a pretty long one. But my fuel rail, look at all this room I have underneath to run my fucking Dash 8 fuel line around the front. That way I can access on that side and cap this side. It's gonna be awesome. There she is, the old bird catcher 102.
So, this has been another episode of Yeti Crew, Caffrey's Garage. Thank you for watching, and as always, click like and subscribe.